Alright guys, as you can see, we cooked these up today. So unfortunately, my audio wasn't working on my screen recording when I was copying from Nike sneakers. But unfortunately, I didn't hit on any of my 5 accounts. Somehow it's kind of crazy. But anyways, I did still cook up 5 pairs of these Rookie of the Years. By the way, again, my audio was messed up so you guys can hear. But this was gonna be like a Rookie of the Year Jordan 1 live cop and review. I'm gonna review the shoe, but anyways, no Nike sneakers, no foot sites, but we did cook up 5 pairs in hand, and hopefully throughout the day there are some restocks on different websites, which I'm gonna be going for, just because I want more pairs. But anyways, as you guys can see, we have the normal Nike Jordan 1 box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. Let me grab this right here. So as you guys can see, I'm going to be showing you guys a size 9 right here, yeah. So this is a size 9 right here. I actually got this one from Shoe Palace. As you guys can see, we have that normal nice presentation, and let me just start reviewing the shoe now. Of course, nice little wrapping paper, as I said, doesn't really mean anything though. First shoe, initial thoughts, initial looks, very, very clean, very fire. Grab this second shoe as well. So of course, starting off with one. Okay, so here's the top look. What? Hold up. Okay, there we go. I was like, where's the laces on the second shoe? But it's underneath in the shoe. So, of course, first looks very clean in my opinion. I really do like this shoe a lot. Comes with the red laces as well. Honestly, I don't like the red too much, but it does complement that Nike Air right there. And not to mention, MJ, Michael Jordan, did play for the Bulls, and their main color is red. But starting off with some very little details, just like Off-White Jordans, we do have the flaps on these shoes. So the first one, if you guys can see that, it says the season he played, what was his rookie year. It says Rookie of the Year, his award. Then his points per game, or his total points for the season, then his points per game. And 2,000 points as a rookie is very, very good, in case you guys aren't familiar with basketball. Then we do have a quote that he said. This wasn't at his Rookie of the Year acceptance speech, but he did end up saying this after in the future. So very nice details right there. I do like those flaps. Then, forget the red laces, but we do have that all white, and like harvest and like golden brown, color over here. I do like this white. We have the black swoosh. The quality on this Jordan is actually very nice. There have been some Jordans in the past which aren't as good quality, but there is a very good quality in my opinion on this Jordan. And this like brown golden harvest part, I really do like the material. I actually forgot what it is at the moment, but it is very nice. I believe it's the same as the Jordan 4 Cactus Jacks, but I'm not 100% sure, but these are actually very, very fire in my opinion. Same with the other side, we do have that swoosh, the white and golden brown, as you guys can see. Then we have this normal, like the Jordan 1 silhouette. All black bottoms, which I'm actually a fan of. I do like how the bottoms match the Nike swoosh, this part right here, and black bottoms in general are better, just because it's not as noticeable when you get the bottoms dirty. Of course, toe box as well is very good. It's not creased so far, at least. I'm not wearing these right now, but the toe box is very nice in my opinion. Again, the quality is really nice on this Jordan. Even this like tongue, I guess, I do like it a lot. So overall, very nice. I do like how it's like the Off-White Jordan ones, the Chicago, the European exclusive, the all whites, and the UNCs. Back, of course, it's just a normal Jordan 1 silhouette with different details. Like we have the flaps here. The quality, in my opinion, is much better on this Jordan 1 than a lot in the past. Black bottoms, which I'm a fan of. Again, that's the same with the second shoe too. Very, very nice. You have the laces in down here somewhere. Yeah, size 9, okay. Then the quality again on both shoes is very nice. It does look like the quality control was pretty good on this pair, except that it does look like there's a tiny scratch right here. If you guys can see that, like right there. Yeah, right here. And then the bottoms are, you can see a tiny bit of dust and stuff if you guys can't see it. But it is overall very, very nice in my opinion. And let me just lay out all of the pairs and show you guys. And so I actually didn't want to take out every single pair, so I just have one pair here, then on the top. So this shoe in general, off feet and on feet, I don't have on feet pictures to show you guys right now, but off feet they do look very nice, as you guys can tell. Sorry, so somehow it stopped. But here it is. By the way, peep the new pickup, new Gucci hat right here. But anyways, off feet, on feet, these shoes do look very, very nice in my opinion. Again, I got 5 pairs. I'm gonna be going for some more throughout the day, as there may be some restocks. I wish I could have hit on at least one Nike sneakers account. But anyways, that's it. I hope that you guys did like this video, this review, this live cop on sneakers, even though the audio was messed up. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I hope you guys like the shoe as well, whether it's for resale or personal, I don't care. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.